Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can recover your data or files from a dead computer or laptop in which you are not able to boot into using wondershare Data Recovery Pro. You can download wondershare data recovery software from the link provided in the description. Here is a list of all the devices and the types of data you can recover using wondershare Data Recovery. Download the wondershare Data Recovery Pro and install the software. After successful installation, you will see all the possible types of data you can recover using wondershare Data Recovery tool. On the upper side you see an option to create a bootable drive. Before going ahead, make sure you have connected a pen drive to the computer, and now you are ready to proceed. Now you have successfully created a bootable media device. You are now ready to plug in the pen drive into the computer or laptop which is dead, and you are not able to boot into. Using the bootable media device you have created, you can easily recover all your valuable data from the dead PC. On my laptop I have to press escape to get into the startup menu. In startup menu I have to press F9 to select the bootable option. Here you will have to search for the name of your pen drive you have connected. I will add a link in the description to help you with how to get into the boot menu on your laptop. Once you are done with everything, you will see two options in front of you: hard disk copy and data recovery. I will explain the hard disk copy later in the video. For now let's proceed with data recovery. Here you can select the type of data you want to recover using the wondershare Data Recovery software and proceed. Now select the drive from where you want to recover the data from. If you can't remember the exact location, select whole computer and proceed. Wait until it scans all the data in the selected drive. After the scanning gets completed, attach another pen drive to the computer to copy your data in. In my case I will try to recover a PNG file and copy it into the pen drive I have attached now. Once you find the file, tick the box in front of that file and select Recover. Here just select the pen drive you have attached recently. You have successfully recovered your deleted file from a dead computer. Now you can close the software and your data is now safe in the pen drive. You can now access your data by connecting the pen drive to a working computer. Coming back to the tutorial, if you want to recover or copy your whole hard disk, then select the first option. Here, browse for all the drives you want to make a copy of. And now select the target device where you want all your data to be copied. Let's check the recovered data we have copied in the pen drive using wondershare Data Recovery Pro software.